if y varies inversely as x and x is equals to 3 when y is equals to 4, find the value of x when y is equals to 12. We have option A 4, option B 1, option C 2, and option D 3. This question is an inverse variation question. So if you're familiar with variation, we were told from the question that y varies inversely as x. So y varies inversely as x. So for inverse variation is a kind of a reciprocal of that variable. So y varies inversely as x is represented like this. But for direct variation, we just go ahead and make it straight. The next thing is to bring in a constant. So our y will be equals to k all over x. I like using k for my constant, though there are some other books that they use k or c and other letters. So it depends on whoever is solving or whichever author that is writing the book you're reading. So whichever case, the constant will always be indicated that this particular letter is a constant. So it's not fixed that it must be k. So it could be anything. It could be c, it could be r, it could be anything. Just depend on the person solving or the author that wrote that particular book. But in our own case, we are using k as our constant. Now let's make k the subject formula. Our k will be equals to x y. That is, this is over 1. So x times y, we have xy. So our k times 1 is k. So we have k to be equals to xy. We bring in the values that we're given. From our question, we were given that x is equals to 3 and our y is equals to 4. So our k is equals to 12. We substitute this into this our expression, into this equation, which is the same as our relation. So we substitute that our y will become 12 all over x. So this is the equation connecting y and x together. The equation says find the value of x when y is equals to 12. When y is equals to 12, what will be the value of our x? So let's just substitute this directly into this. Substitute this directly into this. So our y is 12, so I'm going to write that 12 is equals to 12 divided by x. Now we make x, we cross multiply now. Let's cross multiply. Let me take it to this side so that we see better. So cross multiply this. This is over 1. So 12 times x is 12x equals to 1 times 12 is 12. Now divide both sides by 12. We have, okay, let's divide both sides by 12 to make it a bit friendly. So if we divide this, this will take care of this. We have x, 12 will cancel 12. We have x equals to, now 12 divided by 12 is 1. 12 divided by 12 is 1. And the value of x we were asked to find is 1. So all these are solving presented a value of x to be 1. So if you go through our option, the correct answer in this option is B. So the correct answer for this question is option B.